Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Durango GT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in silver, it looks great. You do have the Dodge badging up front there, with your projector style headlights right there, and your fog lights right down there. And coming around the side, you do have your 20-inch rims with your Bridgestone brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, and those rims look fantastic. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals on them. And coming all the way around to the back, you got that GT badging, your park sensors along the bottom, and your backup camera. Automatic tailgate, so you just got to press the button. Opens up for you. Lots of room back here as well. Looks great. You can also fold this up. You got some additional storage just underneath there. You also have this guy that folds it down. Just like that, and then you got extra room, and then you do have this button right here to close it back up. Just gotta pull this back up, press the button, and it does close right up for us, just like that. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got your button to open up the back, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. It also has proximity keyless entry, so if it is locked, you know, the key on your person, just gotta put your hand in there at well and lock. Plus you got the button if you did want to use that as well to lock it up. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Bit of chrome accenting here, handle here, and some storage down here. You got your seat memory, and you got this nice red accenting as well. Looks fantastic in here. You do get the leather seats with that red stitching as well. Very soft, very comfortable leather seats. Over here we do have the controls over the lights, so the auto, the off, the daytime running lights, and the low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control right here. Down here we do have the controls over the lumbar support, and then you do have your electric seats right there. Up here we do also have our controls over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Keys are in the cup holder. All we gotta do is put our foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now right in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It does say our speed right now. We can change that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A. We got our stop start options, messages, screen setup, and battery speedometer. Now that is control from right here, as well as you have your Bluetooth options down here, horn in the center, and your cruise control right there. You do have your paddle shifters right there and there. They look great. Around the back of the steering wheel, you do have a volume up and down button, as well as a source changer in the center. And then you do have your touchscreen display here with Uconnect. So you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your media tab if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your climate control right here as well. You also have your apps. You can look through there. Then you also have your controls over your heated seat and your heated steering wheel, backup camera, headrest fold, all that stuff. You got your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, as well as your settings right there. Down here we do have volume up and down with our power. You have your mute, you have your hazard lights, screen off, browser there. Heat up and down is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Power, off and auto, AC, circulation, front and rear defrost. You have your park sensors, your stop start, your eco, sport mode, and your traction control. When you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera hanging out right there. And then down here we do have USB plugins and aux cord. You got your cup holders here. Got a little bit of storage right there. And you do also have your armrest that was as a storage container right there. You also have a locking glove box right here with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you do have your universal garage door opener, control over your sunroof, and your lights right there. And there is your sunroof looking great. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same silver accenting. You have the control of your windows, handle here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic back here. It is the leather as well. Feels very comfortable. You can fold this down. Then you got an armrest with some cup holders. It does seat 7 people all together. They also have their climate control right up there and some heated seats right down there. As well, you can fold it down just by pulling this. That all folds down. You can get into the back there. It does have some cup holders as well. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around for you, the 2018 Dodge Durango GT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.